Alright guys, how's it going? Hope you had an amazing new year and I wish you all the best in 2020. Now rather than jumping in the deep end, I thought we would just slide into the new year looking at an add-on. And this add-on's called Copy Object to Selected. Now to be honest, this was made in 2015, so there's not a lot of users that actually know about it. So let me show you the basics of the add-on. First of all, I'm going to select the light, and I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to select the cube as my target object. I'll then quickly jump into edit mode, and I'm going to show you the difference between points and faces. So you can see here all the points are selected in the mesh. If I press spacebar to bring up my menu, copy object to selected, watch what it does. You can see that it's essentially copied the light to each point that I had selected. Now this is pretty cool if you're wanting to maybe put loads of lights on an object. So I'll quickly undo this and I'll show you the difference with faces. So I'll select all the faces, I'll press spacebar, copy object to selected, and you can see now the difference. It's actually put the light in the centre of the object. So that's the difference between using points and faces with this add-on. So how else can we utilise this plugin? Well, let's quickly undo this. We'll jump into object mode. I'll press shift and A and I'll add in something like a cone. And I'll just move this over here. Now this plugin sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. It's a bit finicky at times. But what we need to do here is we need to essentially select this object, tab into edit mode, and I'm going to select this face. And that kind of acts like an anchor point. I'll press tab to jump back into layout, I'll hold shift to select the target object, I'll then tab into edit mode, and let's hit space copy object to select it again, and we get something like this. Pretty damn cool if I do say so. Now the great thing about this is we can actually scale this up and down. And that's pretty much the basics of this add-on. Now I'll quickly undo this and I'll show you one more time. So we select the object we want to copy, we tab into edit mode, and we make sure we have one face selected. Tab back into object mode, shift to press the target object, which is a cube, tab into edit mode, and in theory what we should be able to do is we should be able to actually do something like this. We'll take these ones off for example, press spacebar, copy object to selected, and we get that. Links are in the description down below. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter because I've got no mates, you know what to do.